Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Bitly, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a QR code in Bitly? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a QR code in your Bitly account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, or maybe you're doing live streaming, you know that if you post your QR code to your payment page or maybe to your donation page, makes it easier for your viewers. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bitly account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bitly account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a QR code in your Bitly account, there's two ways to get there. First, you can click on Create New, or you can simply click on QR codes here on the left side. For today's video, I'm going to click on Create New. Once you do that, you're going to see this pop out, and you want to click on QR code. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and make a QR code. So first, when you're setting up a QR code, your viewers are going to be able to scan with their camera, and it'll bring them to a specific URL. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and put my YouTube channel right here. Okay, I got my URL to my YouTube channel, so I'm going to paste it right into there. Now you can go ahead and title this QR code if you want. So by default, it popped it with my YouTube channel name right there, which is fine by me. So now when someone scans this QR code we're about to make, it's going to bring them directly to my YouTube channel. So they don't have to type in this code or anything like that. And if you want, you can go ahead and customize the back half of your Bitly link. So what's going to happen is you're going to have a QR code. You're also going to have a link shortener through Bitly. So for me, I'm going to do MMO YouTube channel. Okay. And next, in order to create your QR code on Bitly, go ahead and click on this blue design your code button. Okay. So now we can go ahead and create the QR code. So they have these templates up here that look pretty neat. So you can go ahead and choose that blue one, and you can also choose the style down here. Let me move me out of the way. Okay, so as you can see here on the right side, you're going to be able to visualize what your QR code is going to look like. So if we chose that one and we chose the pattern looking like this, you can see it looks similar. It's a little different. And on the corners, you can go ahead and change those around. So just go ahead and choose one that looks like your brand. So for me, I'll go ahead and choose a red one, and we can go ahead and scroll down. You can change the colors. You can change the background, outer corner. For me, all this stuff doesn't really matter because my viewers are just going to scan this on a live anyways. So the color scheme doesn't really matter to me. So if you want to add custom text, you can go ahead and do that. We put in there hello right there in the middle, and then we can go ahead and change the call to action. You can see it says scan me. That looks pretty cool. Okay, so that looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to go ahead and click on create your code. Okay, now as you can see, we just created a QR code in Bitly along with a link shortener right here. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and download this PNG, and then you can print it out if you're going to be doing some sort of a live stream. And that way your viewers can easily scan this QR code and bring them to your sales page or to a donation screen or however you normally use your QR codes. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a QR code in your Bitly account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.